Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to join an organization account. So let's get started. The administrator of the organization account will send you an email invitation. Once you open it from your inbox, it'll look like this. Click the blue Get Started button to continue. If you have never signed up for Ellii before, or you would like to use a different account than a previous Ellii account you may have, click Sign Up. If you already have an account that you would like to connect to your organization subscription, click Log In. If you click Sign Up, continue by creating a password and entering in the rest of the information. Once everything is entered, click Create Account. If you click Log In, you'll be prompted to log into your account. Enter your email and your password and then click Log In. Once you have either signed up or logged in, you can confirm that you are connecting to the right organization and then click Yes to continue. Your account is then successfully connected to the subscription and you have access to the site. You can start by setting up your classes by clicking Get Started on the left, or you can explore the site and the content by clicking Get Started under Explore Content. That's it for this video on how to join an organization account. If you have any questions or need assistance, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.